Hey, welcome back to another episode of Literary Eats. This week, doing Harry Potter. Don't know if that was much of a giveaway. But I want to make Treacle Tart. Never had Treacle Tart. I've only ever read about it. So, in the books that were written by She Who Must Not Be Named, it's one of Harry's favorite things to eat. I mean, as a starving, neglected child, everything seems to be his favorite thing to eat, but particularly treacle tart. So, that's what I'm gonna make. So I have to make a tart crust, which is gonna get a little bit interesting because I don't own a tart pan. So I'm just gonna make it in a pie pan, I guess. So I did make whipped cream because it says serve it with whipped cream. So that's what I did. This is the first time I've ever made a lattice on a pie. You can probably tell, but I'm still kind of proud of it. So holy shit. Okay, Harry Potter. I get it. The, Cool. Do you ever make something and you're like, I'm sorry, who made that? First off, it is very sweet. The golden syrup it's syrup. It's very sweet. But the lemon like cuts through it and adds just this like little yumminess. Yeah. You should make this. Like, make this for Thanksgiving. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Like, just... Plus, it just looks phenomenal. Like, I don't know. I'm proud of it. Yeah. That's it. You should make it. I'll type out the recipe, but I used the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook, which I've had for several years. Shit. Almost 10? First time I've ever made anything from it. Definitely recommend though. It is. That's really good. Anyways, that's it. I can't wait for my wife to get home so she can try this and then take the rest of work. But it is just so good. But yeah, sorry. That's all I've got. I'm gonna go make some lunch. Go check on my goats. We got a new goat. He's very skittish. His name is Pedro. But he's warming up to our other goats right now. And so far so good. We'll see how that goes. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go eat this. No, but really I am. Goodbye. I'll see you next Tuesday. Motherfucker.